guys, it's your girl A Marie from A Marie Lace Wigs. When I give you guys a promise, I always try to deliver. So guys, as promised, this beautiful fuchsia dress is completed, guys. I truly adore this dress. It is very, very beautiful, and the ruffles is just trending, and the ruffles going around the sleeve, guys. So I wanted to show you guys the finishing results of this dress. It is beautiful. Gosh, Gino, come on. Come on. Say hi. Yes, this dress is absolutely adorable, guys. So I love it a lot. So guys, if you guys are interested, do the sew along video, and you guys can make this dress yourself. And I know a lot of people been asking me, do I custom make dresses for other people? Yes, I do, guys. I do custom make dresses for other people's. But the only thing, we got to make sure we get your measurements precise. You got to be able to give me your precise measurements, and I can make it. But this dress is in a spandex type fabric, but you still want to be able to get it to hug your bust and everything. So if you guys see, it's the sweetheart, then it's the one sleeve, and then the ruffles. So I would say for a dress like this, I charge about $60 to make it, and that's not including the fabric. So you'll get the fabric. So for a dress like this, and it depends on your size, we can do it any color: pink, white, green, whatever, black. You don't have to do this color. I would say, depending on your size, we'll need about 3 to 4 yards. So I would say for an extra large, we'll need about 4 yards. For a medium, like 3 yards, and so etc. Because the ruffles and different things like that. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Happy sewing. Okay, guys, these are a couple still shot of the dress. This dress is a lovely pink fuchsia. And remember, we can do this in any color, guys. The dress, I would charge $50 to $55 to make. And, guys, I forgot to also say that you guys will be responsible for your shipping. And, of course, you guys will pay for the fabric. Send me the fabric and measurements, and we will go from there. Thank you guys so much for always watching my channel. I appreciate and love you guys for that. I will have more sewing videos to come. So guys, keep following my channel. And remember, I'm starting to do the sew along. So if you are a person that sews, you can actually make these outfits for yourself. I will show you guys how to put them together to get the perfect results. Remember, making clothes is like putting together a puzzle. Everything will fit like a glove. So happy sewing, ladies and gentlemen. God bless. Bye-bye.